Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's Kitchen. Today I'll be sharing another new recipe with you, and that's a pickle made from a sour fruit. It's called bilimbo or bilimbi. Now let's see the ingredients required for this. I've taken 500 grams of this sour fruit. It's full of vitamin C and it's very juicy. Then here I've taken mustard seeds, asafoetida, that is hing, fenugreek seeds. I will roast and then pound them. This is jaggery, red chili powder, taken some 9 cloves of garlic and 1 inch ginger, 1 sprig of curry leaves, salt and oil. I have washed this fruit and got rid of all the stems. You can see the stem is very tiny and delicate. So I've just removed the stem from this fruit, washed it thoroughly and dried it. Okay, now after doing that I have chopped them into roundels. Fine. You will like the crunch and the taste of the fruit, so don't cut them very fine. Okay, after chopping the fruit, I've also chopped the garlic, the ginger and the fenugreek seeds. I've roasted them. I will just pound them fresh. Here I've taken a pan and I will add 3 tablespoons oil. You can take any oil that you use in your kitchen. Some like mustard or coconut oil. This is a regular refined oil I've taken. When the oil is nice and hot, I will add the mustard seeds. The mustard seeds have started to splatter here. So I will now add the chopped garlic. Then the ginger. And this is asafoetida, that is hing. I'm also adding the curry leaves here. I'll stir and fry these ingredients in the hot oil till they get a nice golden color. It's time to add the other ingredients now. The garlic is nice and brown. Now I will add the mustard, the fenugreek seeds which I had roasted and pounded. You can use full mustard, this fenugreek seeds also, but I like them powdered here. Then the chili powder. Chili powder is as per your liking. If you like it very spicy, you can add more. But no, now I will give you the ingredients in my description box below. Now here I have added the bilimbo immediately after adding the masala so it does not burn. And the bilimba is very juicy, so there's no need of adding water here because it will cook in its own juices. And the masala, oh my god, so yummy. The masala, you see that the bilimba is covered with masala. It's already looking so yummy. Okay, I think now the garlic and ginger and it's mixed well. Here I'm adding salt to taste. Again, give it a good stir. So that is why I like to prepare this pickle in the pan so that you get good space to mix all the ingredients. We are still to add some more ingredients. Now this is powdered jaggery. If you have powdered jaggery, make use of it, or just use your regular jaggery, just to give that sweet taste or tangy and sweet taste, because the bilimba is very sour. I have shared some recipes with you using this fruit, and that is a Pathar Babu recipe, bilimba sambare, some years back. I'll give you the link of that video too. Now you can see how it's turned out yummy. Well, let me take the opportunity to thank Asmita Rane. She's the owner of GVIR Nursery, and she grows lovely plants and herbs at her place. Thank you, Asmita, for this wonderful this. If you liked today's video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.